Bonjour classe. Today we're going to look at negative statements. Okay, so we're only going to deal with the sentences, the phrases that you've learned since the beginning of the year. So they're very basic. Okay, the first one, ça va. When somebody asks you comment ça va, you could say ça va. What if you're not doing well? So you're going to take ça va and you will say ça ne va pas. Okay? Ça ne va pas. So you're bookending your verb. Okay? The ne in front of the verb and the pas in back of the verb. All right, the second one. J'ai 15 ans. I'm 15 years old. Je, you have to split up the J. So je n'ai pas 15 ans. Je n'ai pas 15 ans. Here's my negative. Next one. Tu as 16 ans. Different pronoun. Tu n'as pas 16 ans. Again, your ne and your pas. Okay? Il y a deux filles. There are two girls. Now, your verb over here, you have avoir, right? But what you're going to say here is il n'y a pas de filles. Il n'y a pas. When you have il y a, you're going to place your first negative in front of the y, in front of the y, and your second one will be again, as in the past, right before your conjugated verb. So, il n'y a pas de filles. Il y en a 5. Il n'y en a pas 5. Again, it's going to go in front of your E, in front of your ni, and in the back of your conjugated verb. Okay? Fermez vos cahiers. Close your notebooks. Don't close your notebooks. This should be an exclamation mark. Fermez, it's a command. So ne, again, in front of our verb and in back of our verb. So ne fermez pas vos cahiers. Do not close your notebooks. Ne fermez pas vos cahiers. Okay, now, over here, we have a little change to do, okay? You have un. Here we're talking about the indefinite articles. So if you remember when we were speaking in class yesterday and the day before, indefinite articles, you have un, you have une, and you have des, okay? Un and une are going to be for singular, and des is going to be for anything plural. So I gave you two sentences that are basically the same, except one is some posters versus a poster. So let's say, here, il y a des posters, there are posters. Now let's say there are no posters. Il n'y a pas de posters. Il n'y a pas de poster. Let me do the second one and then we'll go back and talk about these two. Second one, il y a un poster. There is a poster. Now I'm saying again, there is no poster. We do not have a poster. Il n'y a pas de poster. Okay. The only difference between these two is going to be here. Okay? Des will change to de in a negative statement. Un will change also to de in a negative statement. And if this happened to be a feminine sentence, let's say, il y a une fille, there is a girl. Now let me say that there are no girls. There are no girls. Il n'y a pas de filles. Here's my D again. So no matter whether you have a feminine, masculine, feminine singular, masculine singular, or a plural, you're going to use DE in your negative statement, okay? And again, you have your ne pas, okay? Now over here, when you're dealing with avoir, j'ai, tu as, il a, you're always going to see an apostrophe because these start with a vowel. But later on, well, for example here, ça va, you don't have a vowel here. So you're going to have the full ne. Ça ne va pas. It's not going well. Well, I hope that it's going well for you guys. Au revoir.